No, yellow house. What are we doing? We're going down to the yellow house.
Camera's on, right?
I'm going to the A.
Okay, just want to make sure.
No,
I didn't hear the beep.
Definitely told us.
That's alright.
Hi, everybody! I feel like a noob because I don't run this side usually. Fuck! Almost tripped! Other side of the house, Ethan! Inside! Inside! Why am I not shooting? Okay. Where are they hitting you from?
Like directly that way. This cover sucks. Ethan still got the house.
Yeah.
Okay.
Shit, how are you gonna
Okay. Grenade? You need another one?
Yeah?
Yeah, get it around that corner. He's right at the cover behind there.
I'm in the back of it.
This way, actually. Oh, he's out. Yeah, Brent, the extra washer adds time to it.
Yeah. See anyone?
Yeah. Red house. He's shooting through a little loophole.
We used our grenades.
Brent, I may have to borrow your gun. Something's going on with mine.
Why would I give you mine? I'm using it.
No.
Oh.
You're extra.
Oh crap. Yeah, be careful on the corner.
Hit! Guys, hit! Come in!
I don't know if it's just...
Did you get him out, Taylor?
Yeah, he's in red and the guy right next to it.
Yeah, there's two guys in red.
Guy coming down, guy coming down.
What do you mean?
He's going around the way.
I must have dirt in my...
Pretty sure I got one. I stopped seeing people and I saw someone walking with a
God, my gun has been hit like 50 times.
You tell me I was running, all of a sudden I hear like something hit a tree branch past my head. I was like, son of a...
Okay, I got him out.
Well, you could stand on my knee and shoot over the top of the building.
We've done it.
We've done it.
He's outside yellow. I'm right here.
Shit, I can't get high enough. I'm not tall enough.
Okay, something going on here.
I'm already fogged up.
I almost got it, There's other guys straight back that way.
There's guys in red. I'm not sure anymore though, but...
Oh yeah, that's right. I forgot red house isn't at the top.
He's shooting in between trees.
Fuck! I'm jammed.
The gun is mag.
Either that or something just blew out.
So, either way, I got my G36 in my car if you need it.
Brent!
What?
Here, hack
Can
it.
you record it? Well, I don't... Put it in there.
No, put it in your mag. Here, I'm gonna load it up for you. What do you... This, you can suppress on. Okay. It should be fully wound too.
Grab that one.
I'm pretty much fucking useless right now. I figured my gun was gonna jam.
careful, they got.
All I got is my pistol.
You need ammo?
No, all I got is my pistol. My gun jammed.
Okay. I think there's still one around.
What?
I bang killed that kid on the other side of this house. He still shot me.
Oh, hand up at red. Hand up at red. Oh, fuck! Hit! What?
They're over by Red House behind, I think.
Red house is to our left.
Yeah, he's in there.
Yeah, he's behind Red House. Oh, yeah. He's in the L.
What?
Get over here.
Ethan suppressing.
Where's the last person? He's being by the blonde, kind of. Got him. Oh, no, someone else got him.
Does someone have a working pistol?
I do.
Is it loaded?
There's people being over there by that rat. Yeah, Shane, I bang killed that kid around the corner. He shot me point blank with his P90. Whoa! Look at that shit! What the fuck is this? Look at that shit! Ignore me. Asshole!
Where? Tell me.
I'm gonna move straight up in front of us. We gotta move up. Fuck you guys.
Jim. Yours had to land somewhere over here. Mine landed somewhere over here.
Sorry, I got blood on your shirt.
There's mine. Yours had to land. It's right there. Right? Oh, no, that's not it. Thought that was it, but. There it is.
Yours sounded way louder than mine.
Huh?
Your grenade sounded a lot louder than mine did.
I don't know. Oh, that spacer added a few seconds. Can't puncture as far then.
Alright, now we know for this time. They're gonna try to take that yellow house like we did.
Here, Brent, I need your other gun.
From me to you.
I watched you sprint into it, you just shouldered it over. I'm like, oh god.
How'd it go?
He got one with a grenade, I didn't.
Well, on the G36, like, pretty sure my auto line 1,000 rounds for it.
Okay, well,
Exactly, it shoots 380. Mine only shoots below 350.
okay. Is it fairly accurate?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck, camera's still on.